আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকের কোশ্চেন হচ্ছে ইভ্যালুয়েট দ্য বিহেভিয়ারিস্ট থিওরি অফ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ অ্যাকুইজিশন অর লার্নিং। Answer. Behaviorist theory of language acquisition says that humans learn language from the environment and by following instructions. It might be evident that people learn through stimulus response process. For example, if students practice some simulated tasks and activities, they might develop certain skills to perform the tasks in a real life situation. According to the behaviorist theory, effective learning depends on reinforcement. Through positive reinforcement, learners feel encouraged and develop skills. On the contrary, if learners are negatively reinforced, they will not feel interested in the learning process and will not reach the desired goals. Some of the principles of the behaviorist theory are important in terms of language teaching and learning. Teachers can design tasks and activities to try stimulus response reinforcement process to help language learners achieve adequate proficiency. For example, some dialogue-based scenarios can be designed and students can play roles. Teacher can also positively reinforce students' response, যেমন good job, thank you, nice try, to appreciate their participation. However, the behaviorist theory has some limitations. Act number, it does not address the thinking process of actions or productions. Human beings are not machines or robots. They have feelings of anger, sadness, happiness, and so forth. There are studies that demonstrate children learn through mistakes and can produce sentences they never heard before. 2 number, people have independent thinking and planning ability. They do not only learn by following others, they develop proficiency by incorporating their own ways of learning. 3. Stimulus response may not always work. Some people may not learn through this process. Though there are some similarities between animals and human behaviors, humans appear to have higher order thinking. It might be true that they would not respond to the repeated stimuli the same way every time. Though positive reinforcement works for some children, negative reinforcement will also work at different contexts. There are numerous examples in Asian countries where students have performed well after negative reinforcement from parents and teachers. It seems to be problematic that students would always perform well if they are positively reinforced. There seem to be many other reasons that contribute to acquiring knowledge. Allah Hafiz.